How to fix no SIM available on iPhone. First, restart your iPhone. This is the universal first step for many iPhone issues. A simple restart can often clear minor software glitches. For iPhones with Face ID, press and hold the side button and either volume button until the power off slider appears. Drag the slider to turn off your device, then press and hold the side button again. For iPhones with a home button, press and hold the side or top button until the power off slider appears. Drag the slider to turn off your device, then press and hold the side or top button again. Reset the SIM card. Inspect the SIM card and the tray for any dirt, dust, or damage. Gently wipe the SIM card with a clean, dry, lint-free cloth. Gently push the SIM tray back into the iPhone until it flush with the side, and turn on your iPhone back on and see if the no SIM available message is gone. Airplane mode. Tap airplane mode icon on and off. This refreshes your iPhone's connection to cellular networks.